Good morning, students. Let's continue our chapter number 12, Aladdin and the Wonderful Lamp. So, students, as you know, that we were reading chapter until here we have done, and today we will start from here. Aladdin inside the dark cave. You know, Aladdin met an old man and he said that he was his uncle, and that person sent Aladdin in a cave to bring the wonderful lamp, and now Aladdin is in dark cave. I have been inside this cave for 2 days now. So now Aladdin is saying that I am here in the cave for 2 days. All I have is this dusty lamp. And now, what is he having in that cave? He was having the dusty lamp. My poor mother must be worried. He was in the dark cave, he was all alone, but he was thinking about his mother, that she must be worried. Please help me out. Aladdin rubs the lamp while playing with it. Aladdin was playing with the lamp and by mistake he rubbed the lamp and a genie appears in front of him. Genie appears. Genie means like jinn. Genie, my master, I am at your command. What can I do for you? Students, now I think you know it very well that the wonderful lamp was like this, that when we rub the lamp, then a jinn appears. And so is happening here. The genie is asking my master, he is asking Aladdin that my master, I am at your command. Now I will follow you. So what can I do for you? Aladdin, who are you? And where have you come from? Aladdin does not know anything about that lamp. So only he is asking that who are you and from where you have come here. Genie, master, I appear whenever you rub the lamp. Genie said that, master, when will you rub the lamp? I will appear. Aladdin, take me home right now. सीन 7 नाउ अलादीन्स हट. तो क्या बोला अलादीन ने कि मुझे अभी घर ले चलो, अगर तुम मेरी कमांड फॉलो करते हो तो मुझे घर ले चलो. सो इट इज़ सीन 7. मदर, सन, आई हैव बीन सो वरीड अबाउट यू. So the mother is asking Aladdin that I was very much worried that where were you and what are you doing, but what do I give you to eat? There is not a morsel of food in the house. Morsel means a small amount of food, थोड़ा सा खाना. तो उसने बोला, मदर ने बोला कि मैं तुम्हें खाने के लिए क्या दूँ, घर में तो मोसल भी नहीं है, मीन्स एक टुकड़ा भी नहीं है कुछ खाने को. अलादीन, चीयर अप मदर. तो उसने कहा, माँ अब आप खुश हो जाओ. अलादीन रब्ड द लैम्प अगेन. जीनी, हेयर आई एम माई मास्टर. Aladdin, bring us some food. So now Aladdin is giving the command to the genie. He said that मुझे कुछ खाना ला कर दो. Genie, here you go master. अभी आया master खाना. A silver bowl, 12 silver plates with delicious food of different variety. तो चांदी के बर्तन आ गए, बॉल था, सिल्वर प्लेट्स थी चांदी की और डिलीशियस खाना था उसमें ऑफ डिफरेंट वैरायटी, अलग अलग टाइप का खाना था. 2 silver cups and fresh juice appeared in front of Aladdin and his mother. Mother, son, I beg you to sell off this lamp. This genie may be a devil trying to trick you. तो मदर बेटे को कहती है कि मैं चाहती हूँ कि तुम ये लैम्प सेल कर दो, दे दो किसी को. दिस जेनी में बी, क्योंकि ये जो जीनी है वो एक डेविल बन सकता है तुम्हारे लिए, तुम्हें फंसा सकता है. अलादीन, नो मदर, लक ब्रॉट मी दिस लैम्प. वी शैल सेल द सिल्वर वेयर 1 piece एट ए टाइम टू पे फॉर आर फूड. तो अलादीन बोला, नहीं माँ, ये तो मुझे लक से मिला है. वी शैल सेल द सिल्वर वेयर, जो हमारे पास ये चांदी के बर्तन है ना, हम उसे बेचेंगे और उससे अपना खाना लाएंगे। When all of the silver is sold, I will ask the genie for another set of plates. जब हमारे सिल्वर के चांदी के ये बर्तन सेल हो जाएंगे तब मैं जीनी को बोलूँगा कि मुझे और बर्तन ला देगा। इट इज़ टाइम टू चेंज आर डेस्टिनी। अलादीन बोलता है कि अब टाइम आ गया कि हम अपनी डेस्टिनी, अपने भाग्य को चेंज करें। सो Aladdin is not using this lamp in a bad way. That's why he is asking that, he is saying that we will sell the silverware, कि हम चांदी के बर्तन बेचेंगे फिर उससे और ले लेंगे। Okay, so this was the chapter, student. I found the lesson very much interesting and I hope that you are also feeling the same like me. And if you are having any doubt, then you can ask me in the comment section. Okay, I'll try to give your answers. So thank you so much, students. Thank you.